How to fix Boomplay app buffering or not playing songs. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or the reverse to see if a weak or unstable connection is the cause. Since buffering is most often a network issue rather than an app fault, test another data-heavy app or site to confirm your connection is actually working. Step 2. Clear the app cache. Go to your phone settings, click on app, then navigate to Boomplay, click on story, then tap clear cache, not clear data, since that will log you out and remove your playlist. This flush out corrected temporary flies that commonly cause buffering or playback freezes. Step 3. Update the app to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or Apple Store, search Boomplay and check for an update button. Updated app version often carry playback bugs that get patched in newer releases. Step 4. Restart the app and your device. Fully close Boomplay from your recent app list, not just minimize. Reopen it, then try playing a song again. If it's still stuck, restart your phone entirely to clear background processes that might be interfering. Step 5. Reinstall the app as a last resort. If none of the above works, reinstall Boomplay completely, restart your device, then reinstall from the Play Store or Apple Store. This resolves deeper app corruption issues, though you will need to log back into your account afterward.